Okay, here we are. I think a date. Oops, day 24. Looking a little low. Um, I don't know. Pretty much the same. Oh, perfect. Don't know if I actually changed it too much, but oh well. Okay, so okay. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, sweet. So we are starting late today. So unfortunately, we'll probably only be able to do Anki, and then oh well, I guess maybe we'll do a little bit more than Anki. And then we'll continue, and then we'll just shoot for tomorrow being like a bigger day. Um, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. A hole is one that can, or so what's the difference between a break slash jump discontinuity and hole discontinuity? A hole can be filled. So this occurs when the function is undefined at a particular value, and you can algebraically, you can convert the function to an algebraically equivalent one, removing the discontinuity. Okay, this is when we are in the form which appears to be, or let's see, we're in a form that is the resulting form of using the power rule, and we're taking the integral, taking us from the function to the integral. And when we have that particular form, we can use this this rule when we're dealing with complex or composite functions. A radical is like a root. This is the same thing as reverse chain rule. This is when the numerator is 1 degree higher. The leading coefficient is 1 degree higher on the numerator, and you use long division, and the resulting value is your asymptote. Okay, so you evaluate the first order derivative at 0, and then from that you take the results of that, or at those points, you find where x is 0 for the first order derivative. I think okay. So, okay. So for you find at what points the first order derivative is 0. Then you take the second order derivative, and for those points that you found initially, and this is where y equals 0, right? So we evaluate the function. And at this point, you look at the second order derivative. You plug in those x values, and if the x value, that's how you do it. Okay, for critical points, yep, and then perfect. This is a rule for dealing with composite functions, and to take the derivative of them. For a given f of g of x, it becomes f prime of g of x times g prime of x. No, it does not. The limit has to be equal, taken from the left and right sides. This is a function to be integrated. When finding a limit, we can often use algebraic manipulation to get away from it being 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, to where we can find and evaluate the limit. Okay, perfect. Oh, so I didn't quite get that as much as I would have liked. Um, yeah, so the infinity over infinity and 0 over 0 is with indeterminate functions. So it's like a sort of similar situation, but that's when we use L'Hopital's rule and not algebraic manipulation. So there's that. Okay, so we're presently at 2, part 3. Okay. I think I will actually just right there for tonight, even though it was like 5 minutes. This will, or I'll be like attending to this again, so tomorrow. But I gotta start late, so. Okay, sweet. I'll see you guys tomorrow.